Hi, my name is Lauren. I'm a senior artist here at Monaco Salon, and today I'm going to tell you about my 3 favorite products. Product number 1, Spécifique Bon Divalent. So I speak French, so these are all in French, so maybe I'll have a better accent than some of the other people trying to pronounce this. I really like this shampoo because so I have oily hair naturally. Even though my hair is platinum, you know, you have to take care of that differently than you would natural hair. So using a shampoo like this is nice because it helps to control the oils while also being safe for like sensitive ends. So like someone who has maybe like a little bit of damage or just, you know, extreme blonding. So this one's nice and gentle, but it helps to like really cleanse the scalp. So favorite product number 1. Blonde Dramatic Repair. So this is favorite product number 2, Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair. It's been a long time since we've had this back in stock. It was gone all throughout COVID, so I'm glad to finally have one of my favorite products back. Super easy, you just shake it up and spray it over damp hair when you get out of the shower. I like to recommend this to people who are kind of low maintenance with their hair care, especially like some blondes. Like I'm pretty low maintenance for a blonde. And it's nice to just have something simple that you can spray in that's gonna give you the protein that you need, that your hair needs. But like super easy to remember to do once you come out of the shower. Favorite product number 2. This is like my all-time favorite product, and every person that I use this on, I give them this like whole spiel. So if you've heard this before, like, you know, you're gonna hear it again. Fresh Affair Dry Shampoo. So this is very different from other dry shampoos I've used in the past. It has a rice starch base to it, so it feels like when you stick your fingers in cornstarch and you get that like cold, slippery feeling, it feels like that. It's not like sticky like other dry shampoos are, and it just feels a lot like fresher on the head. Something else that's different about this is I like to use it a little bit differently than I am assuming most people use dry shampoos. I've heard other artists say this on Instagram before, so I think maybe it's making the rounds, but what I discovered was that if I do a blowout on my hair and I use this first thing when my hair is like clean and dry, do the blowout, put a little bit of this in, go about my day, spray a little bit more that night, and like I'll do the same thing, like morning and night, just spray like a little bit all over the head, kind of like I'll section it out with my pinky finger and just spray at the root. I find that I'm able to get my blowout to last like a lot longer, significantly longer than if I were to just definitely air dry, like that doesn't last very long at all. But a standard blow dry, like if you use something like this, it's gonna last really well. Another thing is to, a lot of people I think tend to put dry shampoo in their hair once their hair is like super dirty. It's like day 4 and they just need to wash their hair at that point, but they're like, oh, I'm gonna put some dry shampoo. It'll be fine, it's gonna fix it. Like, it's not gonna fix it. You just need to wash your hair at that point. But if you start early and you start to add these little layers of dry shampoo one at a time, it's gonna help keep your hair cleaner for longer. So this is my all-time favorite number 1 product, but I like all 3 of these, so. And there's a lot of other great things too, but these are my top 3 for today. Okay guys, thanks for listening to my 3 favorite products. These are near and dear to my heart. You can follow me on Instagram here and at Monaco Salons. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Just to see if I'm